Today is now the 2nd of February 2011, Wednesday at about 12:20 a.m. I'm in my basement doing my laundry. As you can see, I've got two dryers hooked up. One's a very old Whirlpool. The other one is about a 8 or 9 year old Kenmore Elite. It was top of the line when it came out. Has a thermistor, has even temp control on that. Why I'm posting this to YouTube is I'm a little pissed off. I'm pissed off that Sears won't stand behind their products. Right now I think it's about 10 degrees to 0 out. As I am doing laundry in the winter, it's nice to have, when you have two dryers, have them both hooked up and being able to run, so you can run a load of wash, then put it in the dryer, run another load of wash, put it in the other dryer. It's pretty sad that when you have a, I think it was about a $700 dryer, and it will not stay running in the cold weather. As I'll show you, I'll try turning it on. There's nothing in there, nothing, and the lint trap is cleared out. Both dryers are hooked up the same way outside. We'll turn it to more dry in the auto moisture even heat with sensing plus position. It's on cotton wools, and we'll try starting it up. As you can see, that's what it does. You hit the start button, it'll start, it'll go beep beep beep, and stop. Hit it again, as soon as you release the button, it's done. Go to my old one, just set it for 70 minutes. It's on high temp, turn it on, starts up and runs. Now, I don't know what the problem is. According to Sears, it's because I have it vented incorrectly, which they're vented exactly the same. I don't understand how it could be done incorrectly. They're both vented outside. They have the stopper on the outside so that the cold air can't come in. The vent only opens when it has pressure going outside. Otherwise, it goes closed. As you see, the old one works, starts up. The gas part just started. The other one will not work. I can get the other one to work by, on the bottom of it, as you can see, I have the bottom of it open. I have to set a space heater in front of it for about 15 minutes until the inside of the dryer warms up, where it'll fool the computer, whatever computer parts it has in there, to let it know that it's operating with a certain temp. Then I can start it up and it'll run fine as long as it stays warm. So I guess the reason that I'm posting this video is, you know, it works fine in the summer. I don't have any problems with it. I can use both dryers. That's not a problem. The part that pisses me off is when you go in the winter to do it. You're down to one dryer again, especially when you have one very expensive dryer that should, you know, have another 10, 15, 20 years of good life in it, but it just doesn't. After talking to a couple of repair places around here, they said that with this technology, even with new dryers, you know, stuff that's built in 2009, 2010, I don't know about 2011 because I haven't talked to them yet this year, but they have the same problem. When you have that thermistor, it fools the computer inside the dryer, which makes it think it's not operating within a certain temperature or certain voltage or whatever that causes it to break the circuit and not work. What I want Sears to do is stand behind their product, replace it with something similar features than that, something that'll work. Sears doesn't want to do it, that's fine, whatever. I already went through the blue ribbon special or the blue ribbon customer service or whatever, and they said, since I waited so long to complain about it, that it's no longer their problem, it's my responsibility. I tried explaining to them that for the first few years after I bought it, we had very mild winters, and the thing will run up until about 10 above zero, 5 above zero. It'll start on its own and it'll run. Once it starts getting colder than that, then it does exactly what it did when I showed you, that it'll start up, go beep beep beep, and shut off. So maybe if enough people see this video, Sears will get a hold of me and say, take your video down because there's a lot of bad rap for us. It's giving us a bad rep. I guess I'm at the point where I don't really care because they're not standing behind their products as far as I'm concerned. Thank you. I hope you guys have a good day. Remember, the one that does not work is a Kenmore Elite bought from Sears. Sears will not stand behind their product. should be noted that I did have I think it was a 5-year extended warranty on it. The 5 years ran out. 3 years or 5 years, I don't remember what it was. But it ran out not too long after that is when I started having problems with it, when we started getting more cold winters and that again. So I guess it's up to Sears what they want to do now. Thank you for taking the time to listen.